All right, now we flip the lid over, and the guys have started grinding out every hole in the lid. We fill everything to start with a blank canvas. All these big voids, they need to be ground out more, spread out. Fortunately, they're going to come up that detailed, but they're going to have to spread that out. The reason why, when we glue our core material down, we put 2 layers of 1 ounce mat down first as our material to glue. This way, when we're glassing, we already have our mat laminate in place, and we're not glassing to the fresh core. While the guys get their grind outs all fiberglass, Joe's going to jump up on the bow section where we discovered some deteriorated laminate as well as an old repair, which he's going to have to recreate the hull to deck joint on. This was the old repair that we ran into. That piece is gone. So what we're going to do, because we know the hull follows the same shape, splash a mold off of that. So Joe made this mold of the bow nose. And what he'll do is he'll make himself a part. And we're going to steal this part of the flange. That'll give us our exact shape part to replace this section. Joe's mocking up his hull to deck joint that he splashed off his mold. He'll come in and get that tabbed in place and make that look perfect again. Hey, make it out.
This is got to be built up with glass. This is going to be like 4-5 layers of mat, not more. And then it's going to taper out. Glass from here to these joints.
Oh, you already got this ground down, beveled? Well, Joe's got his bow nose fabricated. He's got to come in here, get some primer on it to dial in his edges. He's real close, but you know, something's like this, it's impossible to really tell where you're at until you get some primer, throw a guide coat on it, and start to really see your lines. But he's got it damn well close.